Booking a car. With some trips, you may require a car but not airfare. Click the Car tab. Enter your search criteria, such as pickup and drop-off dates, location, and other search options. Click More Search Options. You can select a car type, your smoking preference, and modify the car vendors you want included in your search. Click Search. Review the car search results. To filter the results, select a column, row, or cell in the grid at the top, or use the options on the left side of the screen. To hide the results matrix and view more of the car results list, click Hide Matrix. Use the Location Details link to view more information about the rental car. To choose a car, click the fare amount. You will see your complete car rental itinerary and can add other information for the car rental, including car preferences and driver information. To continue with the reservation, click Reserve Car and continue. On the Travel Details page, you can review your complete travel itinerary. To continue with the reservation, click Next. On the trip booking information screen, you can edit the trip name as needed. You can also provide a trip description and enter who you would like to send a copy of the confirmation to. Click Next. On the trip confirmation screen, you will confirm your booking. Click Confirm Booking. You have completed the reservation process. Depending on your company's configuration, you may need to submit a request for this trip. For this example, click Submit Request. Click Accept and Submit. Your request for the car rental is now submitted and pending approval from your manager. Thank you. This concludes the training video.